O itanano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako'y Luis Season ng Huerin, Pampanga. Ating kung kutang kaya kayo, at tatandaan na niyo yung video ngayon eh. O itasot yung tanak yung kilub Robinson Star Mills, and ikit ko na itang store. Ayun eh, so yung lagyo na ng store or stall is Hermana Amor. O itakalupan ng sinabi ko, at yun ng wallet kayo ni as low as 100 pesos. Pwede mo rin customize na mo.
Name and charm.
Wow, so name and charm at ito. 100 pesos na mo. Wow! Okay. Pero yung paggawa mo kayo ni lang passport cover. O itapin po na. So, ikwami ka rin comments na mangutan kayo nung ating Hermana Amor kay ning Angeles City. Chuya po ini kay Nepo Mall, second level. And o itatukyanan nyo ko, lawin tayo. Happy dini kay niya yung Hermana Amor. Kitang kakadong option tamo, kung tata naman kitang metong entrance. O ita manibat naman kay ning malapit elevator, ini naman ing dalan. Pitabin po na kitang intro ko nandin. Since kapublish mi po kitang vlog, pangutang lapureng Angelenyos nung ating antikanini kayong Angeles City. So magpasalamat tamo po kayong Hermana Amor for inviting us. Ini po yung karelang kakadong branch. Metong kayong Robinson Star Mills, and then kayo pong second floor na ning Nepo Mall. Lawentala pa si Bayo nung nanula rin karelang products. Try tayo mo rin interview ni Ma'am Sheila bangka nito. Kita ma-overview tamo nung nanula po retang aliwada pong products and services kay ni Hermana Amor. Alright, so future owner and sales lady ng Ma'am Sheila na. Anyway guys, salamat po for being with us. Of course, with us is Ma'am Sheila. Ito metong yung po rin owners na ng Hermana Amor, and these lovely kids are the reason behind po kayong Hermana Amor na, ma'am. Tell us more about it po. Bakit ka Hermana Amor lagyo?
Well, actually, Hermana Amor is a Spanish word that means sister's love.
Sister's
so
love.
So it was inspired by my two daughters. My eldest is Zarina, and this is my youngest, Samantha.
Nano po yung reason yung bakit may nalakad kayo yung second branch kay Angeles?
Alright. Well, actually, due to public demand. When they saw your advertisement, when they posted an ad of Hermana Amor located in Robinson, due to public demand, they asked for a second branch near Angeles. So that's why we put an establishment. We put our second branch here in Nepo Mall. Hermana Amor, we personalize. We have passport cover, we have luggage tag, card holder, wallet, as low as 100. Pwede nyo na siyang i-customize with free name and charm. So if you're looking for perfect gifts this holiday season, or for souvenirs, for giveaways, or for any gifts, unique gifts, so, I mean, this is the best gift only for the best.
Tapos lalong-lalo naman, uso-uso naman tayo nagka-travel, no? So, yung mga travel items natin, talagang mas maganda na, mas may hugot sa atin itong personalized siya.
Yes.
Okay. So, speaking of your business, ma'am, na-inspire po kami because from a simple idea lang na passport holder, nag-put up po kayo ng mga iba-iba pang services na pwede palang itinda, mga ganyan. So, what's your inspiration? Ano po yung naging inspiration nyo sa business?
Well, actually, Hermana Amor started as passion because we used to travel as well as family. And then it started when we are just looking for passport covers na it can be personalized. However, when we're looking here in Pampanga, we had a hard time. And then so that's why I decided to make it on my own. And then sabi ko may potential yung market. So that's where Hermana Amor started. Ayan.
So for those who are planning to start a business, yung may mga entrepreneurial passion, ano pong ma-advise niyo sa kanila?
Well, if you're planning to put up a business, make sure it's your passion. Kapag passion mo kasi yung ginagawa mo, it's not like work at all eh. So it's like you're having fun at the same time, you're earning. So it's a dual earning at the same time you're having fun.
Yes.
With your,
Because speaking of having fun, I've heard you're gonna be having your third branch in SM Pampanga.
Yes, so watch
Wow.
out for our third branch
Yes.
this October. Have our third branch this October, located at SM Pampanga.
Yes.
So near, in front of Toy Kingdom.
Yeah. So aside from souvenirs and the tapin travel items naman available lang mo naman din all-based perfume kayo. So ma'am, nalaret ang usual na bestseller tamo kayo.
Para po tayong lalaki yung bestseller, tipo Polish Park, Bulgari,
Okay.
pa po yung Lacoste Red. Hindi po yung pinakamasari yung Lacoste Red.
Alright, so we got our passport holders. So I got for myself, kang Bimbo, President na ng Pampanga Eaters, ang po ang Mark. So dakal salamat Hermana Amor. We're looking for a customized and personalized travel items na lalong-lalo na rin kaya katamong passports. So visit Hermana Amor kayo pong second level ng Nepo Mall. So, you wanna say something?
Please visit our Facebook page, Hermana Amor Leather Crafts. Thank you for watching.
Welcome